Ayo Onanuga, the Director of Media and Publicity, All Progressives Congress Presidential Campaign Council, has shut down rumors that presidential candidate Asiwaju Bola Tinubu was rushed off the stage due to health concerns at his MENA rally. President Muhammadu Buhari has again maintained that he has done his best for Nigeria. Buhari said this during the visit to the Secretary General of the Abu Dhabi Forum, Sheikh Al Mahfoud bin Baya, and his deputy, Pastor Bob Roberts, of the U.S. to him in Washington. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has warned that anyone caught buying or selling PVCs will be arrested and prosecuted. Amidst claims that he is backing Peter Obi, the Labour Party flag bearer, former President Olusegun Obasanjo has said nobody can threaten him over his choice of a presidential candidate. People's Democratic Party chieftain Bode George has claimed that the presidential candidate of the ruling All Progressives Congress, Bola Tinubu, is not from Lagos State. Do you agree that Tinubu is not from Lagos State?